Hey everyone, want to make $1,000 a month using AI with zero investment? I'm going to show you 3 incredible AI tools that can help you earn dollars from anywhere in the world. First up, Invideo AI. Just type in some text and it generates a stunning 4K video in minutes. Imagine uploading one video a day to YouTube. That could easily be $500 a month. Just go to their site, create a free account, paste your script, and let the AI do the work. Next, let's talk about ChatGPT for freelance writing. On sites like Fiverr or Upwork, you can get paid $5 for a simple article that takes just 10 minutes to generate. Do that a few times a day, and you're looking at a serious income. Finally, there's Midjourney for creating AI images. You can sell unique AI art on platforms like Etsy for $10 a piece. Create just 3 popular images a day, and you could be making $900 a month. Start today, and you could see your first $50 within a week. If you want the complete course on this, like, subscribe, and comment AI down below.